Hey, what's going on guys? Conmaan here. Today I'm going to kick off a new short series which will be showing you how to make a custom mod for items for Total Miner PC. It's a little bit complicated, but don't worry, I'll do my best to keep everything simple. Throughout this series, we're just going to be working with one change, which is going to be turning the wood sword into a giant hot dog. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open your Total Miner Forge data folder. Once you do, everything should look pretty similar to this. You'll need to create a new folder called mods, which I'm going to do now, and then you're going to head inside of that folder. From here on out, all folders you create are going to become mods inside of the game, so long as you set them up correctly. So for this video, I'll call my mod the Tube of Meat mod. So in order to turn the wooden sword into a hot dog with the stats that I want, I'm going to need three things. The first of those is the texture of the item itself, which I have here on my desktop. Whenever you add textures into your mods folder, whether it's 50 all lined up or just one, make sure that it's been renamed to either TPI 32 or TPI 16, depending on the resolution that you're going to be using. In this case, my hot dog is a 32 by 32 picture, so I use TPI 32. Next off, we're going to need something that tells the game to use our texture pack over its pre-existing one for the items that we want. We can do that by opening a new text document. We're going to rename this Textures 32. If your image was for TPI 16, then you'll use Textures 16 instead. And it's very simple. You just paste in some code, which I'm going to leave in the description below. You're going to make sure that wood sword, or whichever item you change, is listed as the item ID. And then you're going to save it as a .xml. You might have to switch the save as types to all files. I have to do that on my computer. And then we can go ahead and delete the notes because we just want the XML document. Last but certainly not least, we'll need something to modify the stats on the items. Just like the last step, we're going to need a new text file. Go ahead and rename it item data. Paste in some more code, and then edit the stats that you want. I already have wood sword, as you can see, but now I want to name it hot dog sword. For the description, I'm going to say, don't you ever mess me or my bratwurst again. The sale price is going to be 10,000. The durability is going to be 1500. The strike damage, we want this to be extremely overpowered, so I'm going to put 5,000. Strike reach, let's just set it as 4. Then that's it. Save it as an XML file, same thing. And get rid of the pre-existing item data. Now, that's all you have to do for the mod. Let's see it in action. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. The next video in this series is going to be showcasing how to change weapon audio and maybe some other features. Let me know what you guys think and if you have any questions you'd like answered. As always, if you'd like to see more on development updates and Total Miner content in the future, feel free to subscribe. Catch you guys later.